If you ever get Sharpie on your walls, don't panic. I know this sounds crazy, but sunscreen will take it right off. Continue to watch this video so you can find out just how this works. Okay guys, when I saw this hack online, I didn't believe it because Sharpie is one of the hardest things to remove from surfaces. And I know that people say isopropyl alcohol will work, but it doesn't always work and not that well. So as you can see, I wrote on the plastic lid and I sprayed it, and you can already see that it immediately dissolved it. And it just wiped off so effortlessly. Now I'm just drawing on my table to show you guys that it works on this surface as well. The reason why this works is because Sharpie is alcohol based. So the alcohol and mineral and oils inside sunscreen lift up the ink and remove it from the surface. And just like that, my table is also saved. I honestly wish I knew this hack when my daughter was younger and was a lot messier. Now I'm showing you how it works on walls. I drew a big blue Sharpie mark and added some pink dots. Once again, as soon as you spray, you can see it lifting and removing it almost instantly. I will add that this works best on painted walls, leather, plastic, and whiteboards, and not every surface.